Hello, and this is the second episode of our series on educating our adolescents on sexuality, gender, and sex itself. The first episode talked about उसकी link मैंने दे रखी है. It talked about the human reproductive system, ideas about what is happening in puberty, the changes in your body, accepting yourself the way you are, and also warding away social pressures, the peer group influence, and standing up for yourself. We talked there a lot about gender identity and so on. वो फर्स्ट एपिसोड में हमने बात की. This series is meant for teachers and school leaders who would like to begin a sexuality education program in their schools. या हो सकता है आपके पास already हो, तो उसको आप कैसे अच्छी तरह से streamline कर सकते हैं. And this is why this program is aimed at teachers and not for children at all. These two videos that I'm creating, the first one is done. The link is there. And this is the second and the final episode. And I think ये देखने के बाद, ये सुनने के बाद, समझने के बाद, you will be absolutely equipped to build a program for your own schools as you would like to do it. So this episode will talk about sex itself, the theory, the practical application of sex which children want to know. Also, we will talk about contraception, safety, and protection. And this episode is also going to be talking about consent and how it is okay to say no. और हम थोड़ा पॉक्सो की भी बात कर लेंगे. Legal rules and regulations kya hai, and therefore stay with me till the end of this episode to hear and know about all of this. Not that you don't already know it, but how to build it in your school curriculum as a program of sexuality and gender education. So I like to say, let's go from haw to aw and begin. So why do really we have sex? Okay, and we need to be talking to the children. वो आपको हजार सवाल पूछेंगे. Your confidence will make you so strong that you will be able to answer any question with a smile. Humor को हमेशा intact रखिए. So first and foremost, it is for procreation and for propagation of the human species. ये बात होनी चाहिए. And we've already talked about all this in the previous episode, episode 1, how the egg from the female and the sperms from the male carry genetic material and you give birth to young. इसकी बात हो चुकी है. So this is something we've dealt with. This particular episode will also deal with the more practical reality of it, which is that the sheer physical pleasure that people seek when they want to have sex and the release of what is known as a sexual tension. All right. We also need to talk to the children about emotional factors such as love and commitment to a relationship, as well as to express affection. ये फर्क है होमो सेपियंस ह्यूमंस में एंड अदर एनिमल्स में. एंड इसके ऊपर स्ट्रेस करना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है that love and relationship of affection is important before you even venture out into the world of a sexual being. All right. We also, of course, must talk to the children about everybody wants to seek the experience that everybody is talking about. तो ये बात होनी चाहिए whenever you are dealing with this program in your school. A couple of guiding principles that I like to talk about when I'm doing this program. First and foremost, it is very, very important that sex is consensual. दोनों की सहमति राजी इसमें होनी चाहिए. It is something that can never ever be forced. ये बच्चों को हम शुरू से ही बताएं तो we will have a more peaceful and violence-free society. Then it must always be protected. खुद का protection अहम है, and we will talk about that in this episode. And we also must talk to the children about what is the safety and safe measures that they need to know about and then practice if they happen to get into such a situation, though the time is absolutely not right for it while they are in school. But समाज है, social media का influence है, जिसके ऊपर हमारा कोई control नहीं है, तो बेहतर तो ये है that we prepare our children for the world which is swirling around them with so much exposure. So this is something that are the guiding principles. Then we must talk about what is consent and what is the meaning of drawing boundaries. Consent, no means no. No doesn't mean that I'm saying no, but you know what? I'm waiting for you to convince me. Not at all. What does consent mean? An enthusiastic and a mutual agreement. This is something children need to know. How to communicate, therefore, a consent or a non-consent and to respect everybody's individual boundaries. दोनों को बताइए, both boys and girls, that consent can be withdrawn at any time. at any time, and that needs to be respected. ये नहीं कि पहले हाँ था अब ना क्यों है, and therefore you get into violence and bullying. It can be withdrawn. Also tell them it is, quite okay to say no and stand your ground. Just because ज़माना आपके इर्द गिर्द कुछ और कर रहा है, that doesn't mean you got to go with the flow. You stand ground and say no. And it's okay. You will be respected for that and you will not be ostracized for that. ये इनसे बात करना, बताना हमारे प्रोग्राम में बहुत जरूरी है. From there, we can then easily lead them to contraception क्या है. I know कि parents का यहाँ बहुत objection होता है. उनको लगता है that why are you talking about contraception, then you are encouraging them to explore. But वो बात नहीं है. बात ये है that we cannot control much. So we might as well talk about the safe measures as much as we can. Contraception cannot be taboo. We have to talk about it. उनसे बात कीजिए that protecting your health and your well-being is far more important than some thrill moment that you are seeking in life. Okay. Overview of contraception methods उनको दीजिए. आप wherever you're doing this program, आप उनको ये सब दिखाइए, physically ला के रखिए, what are condoms, what about birth control pills, etc. If there are boys growing up in a home where there are no sisters, उन्हें तो शायद sanitary pads भी ना देखी हो, show it to them, let them see it. We have all kinds of taboos in India. Black कागज में, black कपड़े में, black थैले में sanitary towels ले जाते हैं घर पे ladies. So show it to them. Have nothing hidden and a secret agenda, वरना वो ढूंढने की कोशिश करेंगे. Lay it out on the table and you have a free and frank kind of a classroom and society. Also talk to them the importance of protection against STDs, that is sexually transmitted diseases and unwanted pregnancies. Finally, let us understand that abstinence is also a valid choice. हम ना कहें ये valid है, ये आप बच्चों को बताएं, both girls and boys, that it's okay to abstain from whatever the world is pushing you into. This is what I would like to say. About safety and protection, मुझे ऐसे लगता है self care is never selfish. सबसे पहले सबसे अहम मैं खुद हूँ. I will protect myself. Condoms are a necessity. Talk to them about it. Yet they are not 100% safe. They will not protect the children or any adult from STDs, which can also be transmitted from skin to skin contact, not just in certain parts, but parts also not covered by the condom. होता है, आप उनको ये बताइए, आप अपना भी ज्ञान बढ़ाइए and tell them that this is very, very dangerous. This kind of intimacy is very dangerous. So talk to them about it. Why? Because we also are going to talk to them about emergency contraceptive pills. यहाँ पे भी बहुत objection आता है parents का, I know, या कुछ teachers का भी आएगा when you are trying to develop this kind of a course. But stand your ground, because what are we doing? मेरा मानना ये है, सबसे ज़्यादा important मेरे लिए वो adolescent लड़का या लड़की है. I want to protect them. I want to make sure they are safe all the time in the world, which is pushing them to do things which probably they're not even prepared for. Okay, so talk to them that it has to be taken within 48 hours of an unprotected, unfortunate incident that they might have to go through at some point. Or if the condom is breaking, talk to them about this contraceptive pill. Remember that this is not a regular method of contraception. This is just an emergency pill. मगर इसकी बात briefly हो जाए तो बढ़िया है. Okay, then also talk to them about the side effects of these emergency contraceptives that they are ingesting. If they're going to be eating some pills, उसके बहुत side effects होते हैं. So we need to talk to them about the girls. They will change in menstrual cycle, because girls will be the ones who are going to be subjected to all of this. Okay, they might get lower pain. They might suffer from nausea, breast tenderness हो सकता है, dizziness हो सकता है उनको, headaches. They might experience fatigue all the time. तो उनको मालूम नहीं है why they are going through all of these experiences if they are. So tell them, one of the reasons could be, is this what you're doing, beta? Okay, so make sure that you make your children aware. Also show them the consequences of unsafe sex, which is unplanned pregnancies. Nobody wants that. Sexually transmitted infections, of course, and in the worst case, even HPV is something that can happen. डराना नहीं है बच्चों को, धमकाना नहीं है, but प्यार से we have to explain to them that this is the reality and make your choice. There are many things that we can say about consequences of unsafe sex. This slide explains it all. I'm sure when you're building your program, you can decide कि आपके school clientele को आप कहाँ तक ले जाना चाहते हो. Every school is different. Every community is different. I am sitting in a place which is probably liberated, and so talking about all of this, I don't know where you are, but you decide कहाँ तक बात करना है, मगर बात जरूर करना है. We have to talk to the children about this, and we have to make them alert. थोड़ा POXO की भी बात हो जाए, because this impacts children and it's impacting the adolescents in our school. So what is this act? It is protection of children from sexual offenses. 2012 में this was enforced on the occasion of Children's Day on 14th November. So I'm sure everybody knows that, but make sure that the children are aware of what is POXO. So what is the right? ये legal rights हैं. What is the right legal age to have sex by law? As per section 375 of IPC का जिक्र जरूर कीजिए, that the definition of rape constitutes sex with any girl with or without her consent if she is under 16 years of age. Please warn the children. इसका बहुत misuse भी हो रहा है. So warn them that this can be constituted as rape, even if there is consent. Okay, if somebody complains, if you're married to a girl who's below 15, or sex with any woman without her consent, but like I have been saying, that iska, this can also be misused. Why are these laws in place? Well, they are in place because girls are still in the growing phase. They're not fully developed. They haven't attained complete sexual maturity. You have to protect them. And pregnancy is a high risk if that girl is very, very young. Repeated abortions can damage this girl. She can lose blood, she can become anemic. She even, her future gets impaired. Suppose she's not able to bear a child at all later when she is wanting to bear a child. Like I've been saying, there is always a misuse of the law, but ignorance of the law is also not accepted. So, उनको law क्या है ये बताना बहुत जरूरी है. Then the last couple of things that I might want to say, and do stay with me till the end. And if you're liking our candid content, do like and subscribe to the Shikshangan channel. We bring you cutting edge topics which will be dealing with school teaching and curriculum that you need to develop in school. I'm talking about how to build a sexuality education program in your school. Couple of slides more. Make sure that you teach children to make informed decisions for healthy relationships. So, what is it that makes a relationship healthy, bhai? Key traits are respect, trust, communication. Trust gaya, to sab gaya. If you put trust to dust, it's finished. So talk to them about a relationship is sustained when there is trust, respect, and healthy communication. Teach them to recognize unhealthy behaviors. Somebody is trying to control you. Somebody is saying abusive language to you. Somebody is disrespecting you. That's not going to end up in a healthy relationship at all. आगाह कीजिए बच्चों को. Make them aware of this. There is a reason why it is called making love. I love this, statement, because what it means is first you build the love and the respect for each other. Other things will follow. Pehle love, respect, trust, communication बढ़ाइए. This is what we need to talk to the children about, and not jumping into a risky behavior. Also, आजकल तो बड़ा ऑनलाइन डेटिंग का साइट चल रहा है. आई वाज सीइंग वो क्या इलॉन मस्क ने कुछ एआई की कुछ लड़कियां बनाई हैं who are tempting young boys with various things. It's so scary to me as a grandmother. I'm sure your mothers must be going through hell, and teachers as well. So teach them to avoid all these online dating sites and apps. It's just business. Someone is making money out of out of sort of playing around with your thoughts and your mind. Somebody is making money. Teach them that this is not real. बिल्कुल भी real नहीं है. तो उसमें ना अटके. They should not get into these kind of traps. Make them aware of it. Never forget that you have support. Tell the children that no matter what, no matter how much I am educating you about this, you will still probably get into a situation where you're feeling lost, but you always will have support. Tell them that it is important. Talk to your parents, to you yourself, the teachers, the counselors. Teach them how to ask the right questions. and find reliable information. Also, direct them to the proper list of websites and hotlines, if any, that your school has, the local health support, or whatever school resources you have. Tell them from the beginning ki kuch ho jaye. So don't worry, we will always be there for you. And we emphasize that we will maintain confidentiality. Also teach them that medical help be available hoti hai. There is no shame in consulting a doctor. If you don't know, go consult a doctor. You know what? A good doctor will never ever judge you. Never. Seek help from the right sources rather than your peer group or some pawn or some self-proclaimed experts. Aajkal sabhi experts hain YouTube pe bhi. Tell them just don't go there. Talk to the first concerned adult in the life, who cares about this child, and get directed to the right person of the right sites. That's it I had to say in this episode, which is also the second and the final episode. So we've done 2 episodes about how do you build a sexuality, gender program in your school for adolescents. I hope you liked what I presented. If you need any of these slides or any other content, write to me in the comment section. I'll be more than willing to share everything with you. But do a good job. Build, develop, and conduct an excellent, honest, frank, authentic, bold sexuality, gender education program in your schools. Good luck. If you like what I presented, do subscribe to my channel and do share forward. Till we meet again.